This is the story which led a new hope. The story of road under bridge construction, which set an example to the rest of the country. Man and missionaries toiled day and night to accomplish this arduous task of road under bridge construction in a record period of 90 days, which conventionally takes 24 to 30 months from the inception to execution. This project took place at prominent level crossing gate number 343 in railway junction of Londa in Karnataka state. It's one of the busiest junction in South-Western Railways, connecting eastern to western and southern to northern part of India, carrying important goods and passenger trains. At this Londa railway station, traffic level crossing gate passes through 5 tracks, which bifurcated Londa town into 2 parts, bridging east and west as a result of frequent closure to deal the train traffic. Where Gandhinagar area, comprising of 200 to 250 families and vast agricultural land situated on east part of the station, remains aloof from the main Londa town, which deprived them from their access to important healthcare facilities and other socio-economic benefits like children's education, farmers, employees' livelihood and goods transportation were all getting affected severely for the last 70 years. By frequent closure of level crossing gate, the residents of Gandhinagar were left with no other options but to cross the busy rail tracks in unauthorized manner for fulfilling their day-to-day basic needs, and thereby exposing themselves to perils of runover, which also created unsafe running operations for Indian Railways. On September 29, 2020, during the inspection by South-Western Railway General Manager Mr. A.K. Singh at Londa Railway Junction, locals submitted a memorandum highlighting their long pending grievances and requested for solution by construction of road underbridge. A remarkable step taken towards fulfilling the cause of the locals. To drive the project, General Manager A.K. Singh ordered construction of the railway underbridge to start immediately.
This demand was pending since long. The entire thing from its conception to commissioning has taken just 90 days, 10 days for paperwork, and for some approvals another for tendering about 20-30 days. And then within 50 days the entire work was completed, which is remarkable by any standards. And this has been appreciated very well by the people of Londa.
Hubli Division acted swiftly and promptly, duly setting stiff and challenging target for commissioning road underbridge in record period of 90 days. Plenty of challenges during the course of work as enumerated were achieved in line with meticulous planning. Project estimate preparation and sanctioning completed on 9th October 2020. Working drawings were approved on 17th October 2020. Letter of award issued to contractor agency on 28th October 2020. District Commissioner of Belgaum issued no objection certificate for level crossing gate closure on 19th November 2020. Officials put a cap on paperwork in 1 month, which typically takes 12 to 16 months. Finally, the long-awaited and most cherished moment has arrived. After a month of preparation and planning, on 29th October 2020, the construction of the road underbridge has begun. But the hardest days still lay ahead on construction side. Mobilizing manpower, construction material and machineries in COVID era was a Herculean and challenging task. Also ensuring safety and health of laborers at site was the priority. Hence, sanitizing protocols were carried every day. Insertion of 25 numbers of RCC boxes covering 40 meters of barrel length beneath 5 railway track in running train traffic condition, weathering the adverse weak collapsible soil condition at site. Insertion of RCC boxes successfully completed between 24th to 28th November after continuous day and night work of 4 days. Another major hurdle was waiting at this busiest junction to carry out the work, duly ensuring safe train operation by not affecting hundreds of signal, telecom and OFC cables, and this was completed with sheer grit, determination and meticulous planning by S&T organization.
This kind of works are online job because the train operations are happening when we are carrying out the work. On the same line we are carrying out the work. So huge kind of support is required from the other stakeholders like signal and telecommunication, electrical, traffic department. Normally this kind of work take anywhere from 1.5 to 3 years, depending on how we are able to mobilize the logistics, manage the logistics. This particular work has been done just in 3 months' time. The main credit goes to the field team which has slogged and achieved this marvelous feat of constructing this
350 meters retaining wall, wing wall, return wall, 800 meters of approach road by 2,500 cubic meters of concrete, 40,000 cubic meters of earthwork and 2,000 tons of reinforcement steel completed in targeted period of 90 days.
So Hubli division picked up this challenge. Our senior DN West, Shri Neeraj Bapna, took the lead and he took up the work to be taken up on a super urgent basis, and the RUB was constructed in a record time of 90 days. It gives me immense pleasure and pride. We feel very proud that the people of Londa Taluka, Londa, will now be benefited because of this underbridge, whereby their entire movement from one end to the other can smoothly take place.
On 29th December 2020, exactly after 90 days of GM's visit, 40-meter railway underbridge and 800 meters approach road is now ready and open to public. This road underbridge plays a crucial role in the development of Londa and Gandhinagar.
I'd like to congratulate the entire team led by Neeraj Bapna and also by his officer Mahinder and DRM Hubli. They have played a very vital role for executing this work in such a short time and making a new benchmark for the entire world and Indian Railways in particular.
Hence, with this project, Indian Railways has once again proved that they are one among the best railway engineering in the world.